Hello, I'm Kate Jacobus, and I'm the founder of Meliora Cleaning Products. Meliora is a Latin word meaning better, and since 2013, we've been working to make and sell household cleaning products that are truly better. They're better for people with the strictest ingredient standards in the industry. They're better for the planet, with no single-use plastic and concentrated tablet and refill options to further reduce waste. We're better as a company by offering a living wage and benefits to our entire team, including production members, and being a certified B Corp to demonstrate our true commitment to a triple bottom line business. For years, we've been demonstrating that you can build a successful company while considering people, planet, and profit, and we're ready to keep growing. Other sustainable cleaning product brands either focus only on packaging, cramming a bunch of toxic ingredients into a smaller, concentrated package, or they focus only on ingredients, taking beautiful clean ingredients and shrouding them in single-use plastic jugs. Meliora leads the industry by focusing both on sustainable ingredients and packaging, and we also keep it affordable with a lower cost per load than Tide. We recently launched a first-to-the-world product. It's a hand soap option that is a refill tablet, so completely plastic-free foaming hand soap refills that are certified made safe to demonstrate true clean ingredients, and they're under $2 per refill. To date, Meliora has eliminated almost 2 million plastic bottles from the production and waste stream on our planet. We have an amazing 10-person team with deep enthusiasm and expertise in operations. With the Founders First grant, we can continue to provide high-paying jobs in the green manufacturing sector and grow our family-owned bootstrap business so we can get better cleaning products into more homes. Thank you.